In 2025, Tulip introduced AI Composer and composable AI agents, transforming how manufacturers build applications. Today, meet Tulie, your intelligent AI assistant for app authoring, helping you build faster, optimize workflows, and scale digital transformation across your operations. Your AI assistant doesn't just assist you, it collaborates with you. Customize how your AI assistant works with configurable personalities and communication styles.
Your inspection app has been generated from your SOP. Shall we proceed with system integration?
From the shop floor to enterprise systems, your AI assistant is here to help however you like.
You seem stressed. Enabling focus mode. Let's align your breathing with operational excellence. Inhale and drive continuous improvement. Exhale and reduce cycle time. You are now a lean manufacturing organism.
Hey Joe, headphones?
Maintaining operational
Tulip
calmness
AI Assistant.
to optimize-
Build faster, work smarter. Results may vary.